This small piece of chocolate began a journey thousands of miles away in tropical forests near the equator. Our journey begins on cocoa farms, where the key ingredient of chocolate is grown. Cocoa beans develop inside colorful pods that grow directly from the tree.
When ripe, the pods are carefully harvested by hand.
Inside each pod are dozens of cocoa beans, surrounded by sweet, white pulp. The beans are fermented for several days, beginning the development of chocolate's characteristic flavor. After fermentation, the beans are dried under the sun until they reach the proper moisture level. The dried beans begin a long journey toward chocolate manufacturing facilities. At the factory, the transformation from bean to chocolate begins. The beans are ground into a smooth cocoa paste, rich in flavor and aroma. Sugar, cocoa butter, and other ingredients are blended to create the final recipe. Specialized refining processes create the smooth texture associated with premium chocolate. The chocolate is molded into the familiar bars found around the world. Each bar is packaged to protect its quality during transportation. Distribution systems move chocolate bars toward stores across the world.
Which one should we get? The dark chocolate or the milk? The milk one looks good. Let's try that.
From a tropical cocoa farm to a store shelf, the journey of one chocolate bar is a remarkable story of agriculture, craftsmanship, and global connection.